If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Equity can be a complicated subject, especially for new business owners, and a full discussion of the subject isn't the focus of this lesson. This lesson does introduce the concept of equity and helps you understand why Sage 50 accounting creates some default equity accounts. Equity is basically the difference between what you have, your total assets, and what you owe, your total liabilities. A balance sheet shows the company's assets, liabilities, and equity as of a particular date. Because equity is the difference between total assets and total liabilities, it's also true that total assets equals the sum of total liabilities and equity. Sage 50 creates different equity accounts based on your response during the company file setup as to what type of legal structure your company has. As you enter the opening balances of your assets and liabilities, Sage 50 calculates the amount of equity and records it in an equity account. Sage 50 also creates the other equity accounts needed by your business. If your company is a sole proprietorship, all the equity belongs to the company's sole owner. However, you can get as involved in tracking your equity as you like. Some people like to track owner investments, owner's draws, and retained earnings prior to their Sage 50 start date by putting them in separate equity accounts. If your business is a partnership, you'll probably want to set up separate equity accounts for each partner. To learn more about equity and to learn how to set up equity accounts in Sage 50 in more detail, open the Sage 50 Help window by selecting Help Topics from the menu bar. In the search field, type the word equity, and then click the Search button to find informative results for it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.